Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku. Four stars Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, June the 9th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the one star Sudoku. So three puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic with four stars, and this one you are interested. Sudoku with four stars. Number 6567. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have here, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours, 1 5, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, and 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the twos are in majority. Can I start with the 2? Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. Yeah, 2 in the second row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, okay, and 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright, and now 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Now 3 nines. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9, 9. Alright. Okay. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8. 8. 6, 6. 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 6. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. You need a 1 here. 9. You need a 9 here. 9. Need a 9 here. Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. So the 9 could be here, or there in this column. And look, we have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. Here can be a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. So no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. And now, yeah, thinking. 9. 9. Well. 8, 6, need 8, 6 there. 1. 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in the middle column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 4. Yeah. Need a 1 here. 3. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in the first column. No 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. Well, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 box. So 3 could be in one of these 3 boxes. Well. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 4 are missing in this big square. 1, 3, and the 4. So the 1 and the 3 and the 4 cannot be in these 3 boxes. The 1, 3, and the 4 goes in those 3 boxes. 1, 3, and the 4. Well, can it be a 6 here? So I've eliminated this 6. So the only place left for the 6 should be there then. Okay. 1, 3, and a 4. That means the other 2 missing numbers are 1, 3, and a 4. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between. Middle column, the only place left for 8 should be there. So the 1 is missing and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. Need a 7. Seven. 9 and a 5. 1, 1. 1, 3. 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see, I have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers. in this column. Phone numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. 3. Cannot be a 3, so the 3 should be there. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 here, yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left with the 6 here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. 6 there. 5, 5. 9, 7. 5, 9, 7, and 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only place left with 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Seven. 7 and a 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. 9 and 4. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then yeah, thinking. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Yeah. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, and 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Yeah. I need a 5 here. Oh, 7 and a 5. 2 missing numbers. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers here. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Nope, cannot fill this yet. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the second column, no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 1 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5, okay. One and a 4, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see our 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row. Can I count the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 7. Yeah, 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 missing. Oh wait, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this row, first row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well, 4 stars. Don't think so. 3 stars. Don't think so. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.